Hello everyone, today we are diving into VLAN configuration on a Cisco switch. I'll show you how to create VLANs, assign ports, and test connectivity step by step. First, let's bring out layer 2 switch. Let me bring some PC. I'm going to be using 4 PCs. 1, PC 2, PC 3, and PC 4. Let me connect them with the cable. I'm going to be configuring VLAN 10 and I will name it IT. VLAN 20, I will name it as staff. So let me on the devices. So let me go to the console now for configuration. So it's already in enable mode. Let me enter configure terminal config T. So let me create the VLAN now. VLAN 10. Name IT. VLAN 20. Name staff. Exit. That's how to create a VLAN. The next step is to assign two PC to each of the VLAN. PC 1 and 2 will be in VLAN 10, while PC 3 and 4 will be in VLAN 20. This ensures that each group is isolated from each other. I'm trying to do this for security reasons and also for network management. So now, for VLAN 10, I will enter the interface. As you can remember, let me show the interface first so that you can be sure of what I'm doing. Do show IP int brief. As you can see, this interface /0/0 and /0/1 for VLAN 10. Why let me show the interfaces here. Sorry. I'm going to assign that IP address later. So as you can see, E/, this is for PC 1, PC 2, PC3 and PC4. So let's continue with the configuration now. So interface E 0/0/0/0 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10 access VLAN 10 exit, use the up arrow key, E0/1 access VLAN 10 exit. So let me go to VLAN 20 now. For VLAN 20, this is the port I'll be using. Two, switch port mode access VLAN 10, VLAN 20. Do the same for E0/3. Access, then access VLAN 20 exit. So let me check show IP, show VLAN, do show VLAN brief. So as you can see, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. VLAN 20 we have this, VLAN 10 we have this. Good. Now let me assign static IP address to each of the PC for testing purposes. So let me go to PC1, PC1 console. Okay, IP 192.168.10.2. I'll be using the .1 for the default gateway. So I'll be using /24 255.255.255.0. So the default gateway will now be 192.168.10.1. Checking for duplicate. Okay, good. So let me go to PC2 now. Let me go to PC2. IP 192.168.10.3. 255.255.255.0. The default gateway will now be 192.168.10.1. IP one. Oh, yeah. Instead of one, I used to. Good. So let me test connectivity between both of them. Let me ping PC1, ping 192.168.10.2. As you can see, it's working successful. So let me go to PC3 to assign IP address. IP address IP 192.168.20. Remember, this is VLAN 20, so .20.2. 255.255.255.0. The default gateway will now be 192.168.20.1. So let me go to PC4. IP 192.168.20.3. 255.255.255.0. 192.168.20.1. So let me ping PC3. Ping 192.168.20.2. So you can see it's working. So now let me ping PC1 if the stuff is going to work. Ping 192.168.10.2. It will fail. Host not reachable. So let me ping PC3. Hope you can see. So let me bring out another PC. So let me ping PC4 192.168.20.3. It will time out. That is it. So with this, you'll be able to understand VLAN very well. So for the connection to actually go, for both VLANs to be able to communicate with each other, you have to set up an inter-VLAN routing, which is popularly known as router on the stick, so that both of them can be able to communicate with each other. Thank you.